Hello from Venice. I'm here for another Quattro Minuti con Casanova, and today I am in front of Cinema Rossini, but that was not the name of this place in Casanova's time. Then it was the Teatro Benedetto, and he had quite a few connections with this place. For one, he was friends with many of the dancers and performers here. In fact, Anna Benetti, he knew her when she was a dancer from 1774 to 1782 here at this theater. And then she married Georges Binet, who was also a dear friend to Casanova. And Casanova met them many times in different parts of Europe, in Paris. In fact, Anna Benetti was partially the cause of a duel between Casanova and Count Branicki in Poland, which is quite another long story. But that took place here at this theater. And Casanova said about Anna Benetti, "Age never appeared in her face with an indiscretion of which women knew none more cruel. She always seemed young, not only to all her lovers, but to those who were most skilled in detecting the ravages of time." Quite a nice compliment from him. Casanova also knew another woman who danced and sang here. She went by the name La Calamena, but really her name was Agata Carrara. They met in Rome in 1770 when she was only 14, and he sort of discovered her when she was young and pure. Though later they became lovers. They had a 31-year age difference, but he adored her and helped bring her on her way. And then Casanova also came here for one other reason. Later in his life, in 1776, he spied on people here in the theater. He was actually hired by the Venetian state as a spy. And he came here and he wrote about the play Coriolanus and said that the scandalous disorder produced in the theater when the lights were distinguished should really be recorded. His friend was actually a proprietor at the time, but Casanova still did this because it was a way to pay the bills, and apparently it didn't get anyone in trouble. So quite a few connections here with the Cinema Rossini, also known as Teatro Benedetto. Thank you.